Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Nguyen, and for those who don't know me, I am a forensic scientist at the University of Oregon. So me and my team, we have been doing research about the brain as we obtained many parts of it. Now that we have finished our research, we are planning on doing a garage sale so that we can sell those parts to any of you guys. So the first item on the list is going to be the occipital lobe. So the occipital lobe is located at the lower back of the head as it decodes visual signals. The price on this is going to be $9.99. The second item on the list is going to be the temporal lobe. So the temporal lobe is located near the back and top of the head as it houses memories, emotion, and language comprehension. It is also the key for recognition of places, objects, and people, as this item is going to be $15.99. The third item is the Broca's area. So the Broca's area is found in the left hemisphere for most people, as it is the production and the coordination of speech. And this item is going to be $12. So the fourth item is going to be the parietal lobe. So the parietal lobe is located at the upper back area in the skull as it processes sensory information mainly relating to touch, taste, and temperature, as this will be $19.99. The third item is going to be the cerebral cortex. So the cerebral cortex is the outer surface of the brain as it is associated with the higher level processes such as consciousness, thought, emotion, reasoning, language, and memory, as this item is going to cost $25.76. The next item is going to be the frontal lobe. So the frontal lobe is located directly behind the forehead as it is considered our behavior and emotional control centra where personality comes from, as this is going to be $21.66. The next item is going to be the cerebellum. So the cerebellum, it is located at the back of the brain, underlying the occipital and temporal lobes, as it helps improve motor skills by detecting errors in movements and making minute adjustments to the next movement, as this is going to cost $5.78. The next item is going to be the brainstem. So the brainstem connects the cerebellum, or not the cerebellum, sorry, the cerebellum with the spinal cord, as it is responsible for breathing, consciousness, blood pressure, heart rate, and sleep. And this will be costing $250.99 because it is responsible for majority of the functions in our body, so it causes a little bit more. The next item will be the medulla. So the medulla is the lowest part of the brain and the lowest portion of the brainstem, as it plays a critical role in transmitting signals between the spinal cord and the higher parts of the brain. And it also helps control heartbeat and respiration. And this item is going to be $65.75. The next item is going to be the hypothalamus. So the hypothalamus lies between the thalamus and above the pituitary gland, as it plays an important role in hormone production and helps to stimulate many important processes in the body, as this will be costing $45.65. Next on the list will be the thalamus. So the thalamus, it is located in the middle of the brain, as vision, hearing, touch, and taste signals are routed through the thalamus before being sent out. And it also receives feedback and input from the cerebral cortex, which helps filter sensory information, as this will be costing $14.50. The next item is going to be the hippocampus. So the hippocampus is located in the temporal lobe of each cerebral cortex as it is responsible for long-term memory. And this item will be costing $7.99. And lastly, the last item on our list is going to be the amygdala. So the amygdala is located in the medial temporal lobe, as it is known for linking fear, aggression, and anxiety to the knowledge of people or places, as it will cost $23. Location and time. So the location will be at 276 Berman Street, while the time will be on Saturday at 7 p.m. Alright, well, thank you everyone for listening. Again, my name is Andrew Nguyen, and I hope to see all you guys there.